Welcome back, friends. So, Friday was a very eventful day for the US markets. We had major tech earnings coming out, the Apple, the Amazon, and the Googles, and we had a very important jobs report also coming out just before market open. So to predict the market on Friday was rather difficult. This coupled with the fact that on Thursday we saw Meta shares flying up almost 25%, made it rather difficult to predict, and most people were extremely bullish about Friday. But in my Prime and Prime Plus groups, I had given the prediction that it should be a negative day because I was not very hopeful of or rather, I was expecting a weaker than anticipated earnings from these big tech companies. And also the jobs report I felt would not be satisfactory. So the cumulative effect, I was seeing a negative day for the US markets, and that is exactly what happened. You saw the open was extremely negative, and thereafter, however, the markets did claw back. At that point of time, I had put out another video mentioning that in the afternoon, after about 1 o'clock, 1:30, you'll see another fall coming in. And we saw again another fall. So this prediction also of ours came out true. We saw another nice fall, and the Nasdaq ended down almost 200 points for Friday. A rather difficult day. In order to predict or give my predictions for Friday, we put in almost a month of hard work. We collected data from every possible source that could help us. It was huge amount of data. Sifting it looked like just one prediction, but it took us 1 month to do this prediction for this particular Friday. That much amount of hard work, and we had a team of almost 7 people who are working just for this prediction. Now, friends, what is the way forward for the markets? The way forward is that if you see, more and more people are very happy with the way inflation is turning out, is coming down. A lot of people talk about Thursday's nice rise in the Meta. Then it's been a good month generally, January, for the US markets, and people are very hopeful that the same story could repeat now going forward. We are reaching another bull market. People who are a little bearish have also turned bullish, and or rather the bears have also given up, and people think that a probability of a recession are now very low or close to zero. Some people from 60% has come down so much just with a little swirl in the markets. So slowly you're seeing many people talk about advances more than declines, and consistently the many indices outperforming, and there's a talk about how the bull market starts, right? The next phase, and it's all set, and from here on it's all hunky-dory. So slowly and steadily we are seeing more and more people cross over to the bull side from the bear side. That should continue. We should see some more respite for sure. But there will be a point of time when you'll see a lot more people who had some doubts, some who apprehensions about the market. They will cross over into the bearish side, or rather from the bearish side to the bullish side, so that everybody will become very hunky-dory about the market. They will think that the only way the market can go from here is up. And that's I think going to increase with the rise in the US indices. You'll see more and more people cross over to the bull side, to the long side. Now, as this gathers momentum, as this gathers pace, you will see that others who have been left behind in the bear camp, they also will begin to transition. And the moment the majority have crossed over to the bull side, the markets will fall. In 2023. Take it from me. Which month, which quarter? I will be telling first in my Prime Plus, because they have been supporting us and they have been with us for a long time. And then, yes, we will be also discussing it shortly. But the moment everybody is crossed over to the bull side. Just see how the markets fall. And to get to know more, please join Prime Plus. The number to get in touch is 9820861044. You can WhatsApp us on this number. Yes, we know exactly when this can happen. When the majority, we have enough with our knowledge, with our forecasting techniques, we can tell you when. I can even tell you the month and the week when this will happen. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.